For Tekla EPM 2021, let's take a look at the main interface screens that have been updated. And by module, they are the estimating main screen, the inventory main screen, and the production control main screen. One of the biggest gains in this interface update is the ability to have more flexible filtering here on the left side in our navigation tree. This will enable users to drill down on precise information while using these progressive filters. So here in production control, let's take the example of a production foreman who wanted to look at a particular shape, sequence, load, and drill size on a set of material. So we'd begin by clicking on wide flange, and we would drill down to sequence 1, and we would add in the load unassigned, so it's not assigned to a specific grouping or load yet, and we would look at other fields to see our CNC data and the material that has 13/16 holes. So as you can see, as I was drilling down in the navigation tree, the data in the center of the screen was progressively becoming drilled down to our specific requirements. Here at the top, we can see all of the things we filtered by. So W, sequence 1, unassigned, and that CNC hole diameter. And up on the right in our summary grid, we can see the number of pieces selected as 8. We can see their total length. We can see their total weight. We can see their surface area, and we can see the total man hours expected to fabricate those final pieces. So this type of progressive filtering allows us more power, but it also allows us to filter the display data as we're going, whereas traditional filtering methods would require the user to know that combination of filters before they could see the resulting data. So a great gain. And of course, this is not only relevant to production control, but it's relevant in inventory, it's relevant in estimating, it's relevant in purchasing. In addition to the filtering options, this new interface allows us to do some gains for users, such as the ability to resize windows and have the data follow suit. The user can use the right-click menu to switch between fixed mode or auto width mode, and they can fit the data to the correct column size. They can also customize grid from the main menu, so they can add in different layouts for each particular user and include the information they would like to see and apply those layouts. So customizable views for each user. And we have the ability on the right side, if we don't want to see the input fields and we want to gain more room for our data in the center of the screen in our display area, we can hide or show those input fields.